All children benefit from a daily routine, as this provides them with structure and security. Understanding that certain daily activities and tasks happen at a certain time and in a certain sequence is an important skill for children to learn, as this enables them to understand the structure of their day and helps them to become more independent as they become older. Children start by developing an understanding of simple time concepts, such as day and night, now and then, today and tomorrow. Because time is such an abstract concept, a visual calendar helps children to begin to understand concepts such as days of the week, months of the year, and different seasons. Opportunities to select and identify the correct information for the day is a fun and interactive way to assist children to develop a clearer understanding of these concepts. Once children have an understanding of these basic concepts, a visual schedule can be introduced in order to make them aware that certain activities take place at certain times of the day. Visual schedules can be particularly helpful for young children who have difficulty following a routine, are sensitive to change, or have language and communication difficulties. This allows them to have a clear understanding of the sequence of activities and can help them keep track of what has already been done. In order to create an effective and user-friendly visual schedule for your child, keep the following tips in mind. Create a schedule for each part of the child's day, morning, afternoon, and evening. Have a single row of pictures, either next to each other or underneath each other, as multiple rows makes it harder for the child to follow the sequence. Use simple cartoon pictures or photos of the child's own environment, such as a picture of their bed or bath. Single words or short sentences can be added to describe the activity, especially for slightly older children who are able to read. Create a way in which the child can indicate that a specific task has been completed. This makes it easier to keep track of the activities that have been completed. Use durable materials such as laminated cardboard. As children get older, they start to develop the understanding that time can be measured and that activities must be completed within a specific time frame. Before they are able to read time on a digital or manual clock, use things like an hourglass or a timer to give them a visual representation of the amount of time they have to complete activities. Once they are able to recognize numbers and understand the difference between hours and minutes, they can learn to read the time. Use this easy-to-make clock at home to help your child understand how to read and interpret the time. Once they are able to read the time, hourglasses and timers can be exchanged for clocks like these to indicate the start and stop time of every activity. This will give children a clear routine and structure for their day, and later on, they will be able to create their own schedule without any help from mom or dad. Using a family calendar is another effective way to make older children aware of the events happening during the week and month, and will allow them to be prepared for upcoming events or projects. Help them keep track of the date and amount of days left before a big event or deadline by adding these to the calendar and ticking the days off as you go. We hope that these simple strategies will make time work for you and your child and will allow you to enjoy every second.